Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making broccoli and ham tater tot casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. I'm going to start by adding in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. And you can also use cream of chicken or cream of celery if you don't care for cream of mushroom soup. Now to that, I have a bag of broccoli florets. This is a 12 ounce steamable bag. I put in the microwave for 4 minutes to get that broccoli going. And I'm dumping in the juice too, guys, from the broccoli. That's fine. I have a bag of diced ham here. This is a 1 pound bag. You can also buy ham and dice it up yourself. This way's a little easier. Getting that down in there too. And guys, it's going to be a quick and easy one. Alright. Give my hands a rinse. I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese to our mixture. I'm going to go for about a cup of cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to stir everything together to get it blended up in there. And try not to knock my cheese all over my stovetop. And Dexter's quiet today. He's in there taking a nap. Alright, we're looking good. I'm going to set that aside just for now. And I'm going to grab a baking pan. You can also use an 9x13 baking pan. If you use a 9x13, spray it with some cooking spray. This here is non-stick. Now I have a bag of tater tots here that I baked in the oven, got them nice and crispy. We're going to get them down in the bottom of our pan. I'm going to go ahead and even them out in there. Get a nice even layer. And I'm going to dump our broccoli and ham soup mixture over top. Go ahead and even that out. Now if you like, you could use 2 bags of broccoli, but the one is just fine. I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of cheese on top of that. Now since everything's already cooked, the only thing that really needs to warm up is the ham. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 20 minutes so everything's warmed through and that cheese is nice and melted. Alright, my 20 minutes is up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try. Start out with that tater tot. Nice and creamy. No salt was needed because you have the salt from the cream of mushroom soup. Try some ham here. Ham's tender. Some broccoli, some cheese. Alright, there you have it. Broccoli and ham casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.